Hello and welcome to this brief presentation on how to earn $300 to $500 plus monthly using the PTT system. As a trader, how would you feel if you're able to make an extra $300 to $500 per month from your trading? Well, we have people who have made much more, but I always try to be conservative when making claims in webinars like this. But we are so confident in this system that what we are not even charging money for this. I'll explain more as we go into this presentation. Um, so other people, other people who run things like this who always want to collect money. I'm sure you're also having questions like, hey, this and that. But don't worry, just sit down and relax. So I'll urge you to give me your utmost attention. Don't allow anything to distract you. I've tried my best to make this presentation very brief. So you'd have to give me your ears. So let's go. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. So are you caught in that constant struggle of trying to find resources to sustain yourself while learning how to trade? So this program is targeted specifically to Forex traders who just started learning how to trade. But funny enough, in the previous batch, you have people who have not traded at all, who just made use of our tutorial guides and all, and is already making money with the signals. But at the same time, our goal here is to help Forex traders who just learning how to trade to earn while they are still learning. So if you are caught up in that constant struggle of trying to find resources to sustain yourself while learning how to trade, then you have come to the right space. So there's always a distance between learning and earning. And we believe that what this program, not we believe, we have seen it work, but we believe that what this program I have created is something that what is going to fill that gap for you. So a lot of upcoming traders gamble because they're trying to use the limited knowledge that they have to game the market. So what if I told you that what our signals would help you not just accelerate the earning process, but also what learning process? Of course, the goal is to get to the point where you can also do analysis yourself and what not only depend on what trading signals. As a forex trader, you have to get to that point where you can actually read the market yourself. That's how you can even make more and more in the long term. But on the short term, while you are still starting out, this is like a good support system to support you on your journey. But before I get to the testimonials, I want to talk more on why this program is what is important. One of the things we have noticed from the previous batch that was a lot of traders went on to reverse engineer our signals and what even help them become better at what analyzing the markets. Because at this point, they're not just learning how the chart works or how this and that work. They can also go back and backtrace what happened in the charts and get more this thing insight. So like I said earlier, this is not just for earning, it helps you to this thing speeds up the learning process. And we actually even have different types of signals based on the kind of trader that we have. We have the signals that cater more to swing trading, and we have the signals that even cater more to more longer term when it comes to trading. So the testimonials, like this works. We have people from all over the world who are making use of our signals. You can see the testimonials and what we have text. I just had to put a few screenshots. Even on the web page where you see this video, if you scroll down, you even see more testimonials from people who these are working for. You also see those who even started trading and what they were still able to make this work for them. So this works even if you're a newbie. But me saying it was for newbie doesn't mean you should come in with a short-term mentality. From the survey we made for the previous batch, this worked for people who are in for the long term and not seeking short-term benefits. One of the things I found that was people who were in a hurry to who get money quick and not actually understand how the system works, they could not do proper risk management. So, like I said, this is very profitable. But it works for you if you have a balanced overview. The fact that we're offering this as a shortcut doesn't mean you should not now be grounded in the system and stick to the rules. I'm going to be giving a lot of we're going to give certain rules that you're going to be following to make this work for you. So do well to hit those rules. So about me, who am I? So my name is Obi Ajilo. I'm a tech mentor. So I think this will give a brief overview of why this started in the first place. So I've been teaching some people how to get into the tech space for more than 6 years now. And the recurring questions I keep getting from people is that, oh, that's what I'm learning social skill. I'm learning software development. I'm learning product design. But at the same time, I'm not getting to the point where I can actually earn from these skills. And so after giving people other suggestions and that sometimes didn't work for them, I actually discovered that why forex trading is also another skill to learn. Forex trading has that unique ability to help you even earn on the short term while learning and through trading signals. That's why most of the people in the first part are mostly people who are not necessarily traders. You understand? We have more people who are learning other skills in the first batch and what than even forex traders in the first batch of this program. But I'm back here for the second batch because what that actually works and what I'm even for the second batch, I'm even focusing more on even getting more traders in because what the traders that I got in what they have a lot of testimonials. So I was like, yeah, this works. Let's go on and get more people from the second batch. I'm also a talk operator. I've worked with different companies around the world, and I'm also a businessman. So this program is like one of the businesses that I do, but it's a different kind of business. Like I said, we're not charging money for this. Like we're not charging money for these signals. And what I will explain why this is free. You know, so at this point, people are like, oh, why is it free? That kind of thing. Don't worry. I will explain more also as we go into the presentation. So this PTT means part-time trading. Like I said earlier, the focus earlier was people who were doing other things and wanted to trade on the side. But if you're a full-time forex trader, you are even going to earn more from this program than those who are doing it on a pastime. So this is a copy and paste system. In fact, it works no matter where you live, no matter where you are. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone. Yes, sir. So what is Forex? So I want to actually explain what Forex is at this point, in case there are some newbies around us who have been hearing about Forex and they don't have much insight about the Forex market. I just thought to add this to explain what. So the Forex market, Forex is short for foreign exchange. The Forex market is a global decentralized marketplace where currencies are traded. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. And what in the forex market, participants buy and sell currencies with the aim of making a profit. So I want to break down some of these big words that are here. Decentralized simply means that what there is no central ownership. Everyone can participate from anywhere. There is nobody that can say that this particular person owns the forex market. It rewards what active participation. And liquidity simply means the market that has the biggest supply of money. That means a lot of money is in the market waiting for the taking. All you have to do is that learn what it takes to extract some of that value for yourself. So I really hope I've broken down the big words. And what the forex market is actually a big market. So according to research and markets, the forex exchange market will grow. So as at last it was around it was what like the liquidity, like the money in the forex market was around what 752 billion dollars. So, but this year is that by the time this year is what is winding up, that figure will be closer to $800 billion. And so this market, there's a lot of money in play here. So normally, like I said, it will take you a while when you're learning a skill to make money. It takes time to master a skill and start earning. So normally it will take you 6 to 9 months of intense learning and practice to earn consistently from the forex market. The key word here is consistently. So the fact that you entered one trade today does not mean that you have what it takes. Newbies lose more money in the market because at that point they're still trying to do they're going with limited understanding and more of guesswork. So, but as PTT, you don't need to be an expert at market analysis to earn consistently, thanks to our signals. So our reputable and reliable product partners. So I have some analysts that I partnered with to run this program. And also they're going to be providing you with trading signals daily, Monday to Friday. Like that's like the timeline of the forex market. So that's like I said earlier, there's signals for swing traders and also signals for day traders. So I just try to differentiate these signals using these words. Day traders simply looking at those who are trading for the long term. Swing traders, you can enter the market, you can enter a signal now, and within 10, 20, 30 minutes, you're out with your profits. Understand? But also we have signals that are have a longer time frame. Probably you can enter the trade and it will take around 4 hours or 5 hours for your trade to hit the mark. So I just try to really differentiate what those two things are. So when you join the training, when you join the channel, you see, I also do that in the onboarding video. You're going to see the ones that are for swing traders, and you're going to see the ones that are for day traders. The key here is to choose one and stick to it and not jump from here to here. You get. But let's move on. So why is this free? Yes, this is like the elephant in the room. Why is this free? Yes, even me, when I come on Instagram or Facebook, I see a lot of marketing material, videos, and text about trading signals. When you click on it, you get there, they'll tell you, oh, pay $200 to join, pay $400 to get our signals. So why is this program free? Why am I saying it's free? So first, this was genuine help. So remember what I said, when I started this program, the key was to help my community members. Some of them I even charged them for my courses, you understand? So I've really made money from even selling courses to them and mentorship and other things and consulting. So at that point, I was not looking to get more money from them. I really wanted to help them So that was the first thing that inspired this program, genuine help, helping people to earn while they learned. You understand? Then the second thing that this is my desire not to charge people for this system. I got into a special partnership with some forex brokers, whereby they are the ones that pay me. You understand? Not you. You understand? But the thing there is that for a platform to agree to a kind of deal like that, anybody can just create a lot of fake accounts with that link and start requesting for money from them, like, hey, I referred 10 people, those kind of things. So they also have to be a system to ensure that what I'm actually referring real people who are what's going to what who are going to what to be trading. I did a lot of thinking, like, to get this working. How can I keep this free? Like, the goal was, how can I keep this free? So it meant that one, if I'm also partner, because it is also from those things that I pay the signals providers also. So I have to make sure that what the signals I'm getting actually work. Because the forex partners won't pay me if the people I refer don't trade actively. Like, there's a long time frame for that. So there's a review process. It can go, the minimum I've seen is 6 weeks. Like, the minimum amount of time I've gotten the payment from them is 6 weeks. So anybody I refer have to trade consistently for a long time before they count it as what that okay, this is a valid referral. Like, if I get signals that are not good and what the people that I referred lose money, then I'm not going to I'm never going to get to that point where I can get a request for payment from those forex brokers. So I'm explaining this thing for you to understand that what I don't make money if you don't. So that was enough incentive for me to ensure that what I got the best signals, I have the best support resources available. Understand? We're also going to be even doing weekly calls when you share any challenges that are facing. The goal of all this is to make sure that what you earn, because until you earn, I cannot earn. That's what. So I believe that this is like the biggest. A lot of people don't like this system. A lot of people prefer to, like, say, pay for the signals and join. So whether you make money or not with the signals, that's not their business. They can get any signals from anyone and just share with you. But I had to go this route because what my number one goal is to ensure that what I'm genuinely helping the people who signed up for this program. So I really hope I've cleared this and what for you to what so to understand why this is free. Understand? So yes, and for this program, your account is yours. You are 100% in charge of your account. And what I also got the partner broker. So some of you already know them. The major partners I'm working with for this is Xness, Opta FX, and what Ion FX. Probably I've heard about them. So they don't charge any fees. I use Xness a lot. When I withdraw, I don't pay any fees to withdraw my money. You understand? And what the spread is very, very what's friendly. You understand? So you are 100% in charge of your account, and what they don't charge you. Nobody's going to DM me and say, send me money, manage your account. We don't trade for anybody. And so getting trading what you have your account is yours. We're not taking a cut out of your trading. We're not taking a cut out of what your trading profits and any of those things. Your account is what is 100% yours, and what anything you earn is for what is for you to keep. So I really hope that's what I've explained that also. So what are the steps to follow? You understand? So the steps are very, very easy to follow. You create your account using our partner broker link, and once you complete your verification, you also get to watch the video guides on entering the trades and other things like risk management, and what you start towards trading and what making profits. So if you already have an account with Xnex, OctaFX or IonFX, this don't worry, we have a work around that. You can still send me a DM, and what I have other things as what you can do to work around that. So what does it take? You understand? So part of the conditions they gave me is that like this is the minimum account you can start with, like $100. I have people who are trading $500, $1,000, and what's above. But you need at least $100 starting capital to start this program. I think when I even did the first batch of this program was in September last year. When I did the first batch, I think it was even the minimum then was I think it was $150 or so then. But it's currently $100 now. You understand? The dollar rate and all these other things have happened. So I had to just get pushed to push it down to $100 so that what people will not get locked out. So, and what this program is not open. Like you remember, like you just said me, the first one was in September last year. You understand? So we're starting in May for the second batch. I don't know how long this will open, but once the second batch close, we would have to what's going and what I don't know when this will open again. So if you have listened to, you can go back and watch the video from the beginning again. If there's anything you want to have to clarify, but you can also send me a DM. You have more questions using that button, using the WhatsApp link. Just DM me on WhatsApp with that link. I can also answer more questions. That's what you have. But what I'm so very, very much confident in this program. I've been shocked by the results people are getting, especially those who are newbies who have never traded before, but follow the instructions and the guidelines that we get, and what they have been making money. This is another time for me to remind you again. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I don't want you to. You must not, like, if you have listened to everything that I've said so far and you don't believe that what this can work for you, there's no pressure. I'm not trying to say, oh, you must join this program. And so I believe that based on all the things that's what I've explained so far, you should by now know whether this is something you want to try out or not. I only want serious people. It is okay if this program does not fit you what you want, or if you don't believe in trading. There's somebody that say, "Oh, I don't believe in forex." If you don't believe in forex trading as a way to make money, no problem. There is no what this thing. There's no pressure. I'm not pressuring you. Like I'm not doing any kind of pressure. Like this is a very amazing offer. So I'm not here trying to say, "Oh, you must join it and join that." And if you have any more doubts and probably want to clarify, like I said, scroll down, you will see there are a lot of testimonials. Of course, that's for those who are viewing this from the web page that I set up. If you're on YouTube, I'm going to link the web page also in the description, so you can also open that web page and what you see a lot of testimonials from people. So we're going to be closing this batch very soon, like I said, and what we're going to focus on was helping people who are joining this first batch. That is that. And also, if for any reason you don't have up to $100, but you still have something that is pretty close, you can also send me a DM on WhatsApp. You know, so I think I have a way to work around that, but it's for only people who are going to be using XNES. So I think let me clarify that. So yeah, you can shoot me a DM also. So yeah, guys, I hope by this point I've really explained how this works for you. Like I said, if you ever have any questions, you can watch this, you can send me a DM. If you need to clarify, if there's anything you missed, you can go backwards. Like I said, I try my best to keep this presentation very short. So see you on WhatsApp, and I really hope I get to see you at the part of this second batch for this program before it closes. Good day.